Hi, Phil Hundl here with a pipeline alert. This is regarding the Trident Pipeline Project. It's a Kinder Morgan pipeline project. The name is Trident, and we'll talk about it, but it's approximately 218-mile pipeline project with a estimated or projected 42-inch to 48-inch diameter main line. This project or this pipeline, the route, and I'll put a diagram of the route on the blog with additional information about this pipeline project on the blog. But this pipeline project originates in Katy, and it essentially takes a route to the north, goes up past Huntsville, Texas, and then dips down at an angle, a diagonal, to Jefferson County, to the large LNG project at the Sabine Pass. So originates in Katy, and in Waller County, goes through Grimes, a tip of Harris, up in Walker County, down through San Jacinto County, Liberty, Hardin, and ending in Jefferson County. So if you are a landowner, you have already probably been contacted about this Trident pipeline. Sometimes these pipelines are referred to by different names initially, but right now it's being referred to as the Trident Pipeline. Our understanding is that, yes, right-of-way agents are contacting landowners asking for, as they always do, permission for initial surveying on your property. Very important that you talk to an attorney that handles eminent domain cases to better understand and try to limit the access, this initial access for surveying, and to really lay out some ground rules of how access will be given, the duration, the notice that they need to give you if they're going to be coming on your property to do surveying, and also to better understand the route. And this route, at least right now, to the best of our knowledge, it follows some existing pipelines or some very well established pipeline corridors, but then also there are times when it deviates from that pipeline corridor. And so you may be a landowner that has already been affected by many other pipelines because you are on or in the middle or next to a pipeline corridor, or you may not have any pipelines on your property and you're being contacted for the first time. So regardless, as we always recommend, please contact an attorney that handles eminent domain cases so they can explain to you better the process, your rights, and the obligations of the, and in this case, Kinder Morgan and Trident Pipeline. Some of this project, well, it's basically set up in three spreads, and the spread one is on the far west side, spread two really in the northeast portion, and then spread three all the way down in the far east portion. And these spreads they're calling it slider spread one, slider spread two, and slider spread three. So don't get confused by these names. Ultimately, our understanding is Trident is a wholly owned subsidiary of Kinder Morgan Texas Pipeline LLC. So Kinder Morgan, obviously one of the big pipeline companies in Texas and throughout the United States. So once again, pipeline alert, Trident Pipeline, going to be going from Katy, Texas, up over Huntsville and back down to the Sabine Pass, Jefferson County.